Yeah, I've just heard the time, Matt, 11 minutes. It's faster than we...
It's faster than you can do.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is unbelievable. It's an hour at speed. And let's not forget, they played stuff for a little while too.
They did stuff about, I was wondering when they were going to get the race started, the way they promenaded at the start there. But we move on to the ladies event. Kristina Vogel, Miriam Welte, very good field here.
And it's Miriam Welte leading Kristina Vogel. Kristina Vogel, the fastest qualifier. This sudden death will, well, it's actually not sudden death, I apologise about that. The winner will go into the gold silver ride-off. The loser will go into the bronze medal ride-off. Now Kristina in front now, winding it up with a lap and a half to travel.
Kristina winds it up with the 10th car coming on the outside for Miriam Welte. Gets to the front. Kristina Vogel's going to have to wait. 1 lap to go. She's going to have to gain some height, get some speed. These girls know each other very well. Qualifying for the back straight. Miriam Welte very fast from the front, but round the outside. Kristina Vogel showing why she's the fastest qualifier here tonight. She will cruise through into the finals. The coach says turn off the gas. Turns it off. 12.05. Very nice result.
That's very ominous for the final. But she's got a tougher battle on her hands.
Looking forward to this one. Good guy to Willie Simon.